In the last video, we took a look at how we can change materials for interior design scenes, or we can also customize facade switchers, changing materials for architectural facades, building facades outside. Now, let's take it a notch higher and explore the last configurator type, which is called the Ambience Configurator. And what does it do? It basically enables us to switch between different time zones of the project. And we can do this simply through click of buttons. So how do we do this? So let's choose the Ambience Configurator. This is in the media mode. And we have the configuration. This is the new add-on on Twinmotion 2025.1 preview. Let's hit plus. Once we hit plus, we have the default state, which is saved. And I'm going to add a new state where we can choose the ambience. And let's press this so that it opens separately. And we can change the backdrop. Let's go to HDRIs, outdoor, and this was the HDRI that we used. I'm going to go to skies, low sun and clear, and choose this low sun, clear 10. Okay, that instantly changes the mood of the project, and we can change the rotation or the intensity. I think this is a really interesting angle. It also gives us some ray casting from the sun, so let's go with that. And we can also change the season if needed to make it rainy a little bit, but also snowy if needed. So I'm going to go with this, and let's hit the refresh button to save the state. And let's add one more state. So in this case, we could go to another sky, outdoor, and let's pick this approaching star. And within the ambience panel, we can switch the season. There's a bit of snow happening. Great. This does not make any difference since we don't have any trees on our scene. And we can also add wind, fog, or change the horizon. And let's save the state. Now, once we switch between these states, this is our state 1, state 2, state 3. So in real time, we can switch between 3 different states and still be able to visualize it. And that's the power of Ambience Configurator. So let's call it Ambience Config. And what I'm also going to do is give it an icon. Let's go with this. So in this case, we are going to go with a 2D layer instead of a 3D object that we can position on screen, because we are more interested in the specific frame, the frame of the exterior scene. And let's see how this works. So now to see this in action, we hit F12. So we have the facade configurator from the last video, and we have the ambience configurator from this video. I'm going to choose a different facade. So as you can see, we have 3 facade options that we can visualize in 3 different ambience conditions. We can also make this a list instead of a switch. So when we go into the configuration again, let's choose list, and let's take a snapshot of each of these seasons. Capture thumbnail, and another capture thumbnail. Quit media mode, F12, So here we go. So we have this. So this is how we can simultaneously switch between different options, and we can show these different facades in different ambiences as well. I hope this gives an idea of the Ambience Configurator. See you in the next video.